What are some important traditions in your culture?
Additionally, celebrating the Lunar New Year with traditional dances and foods, practicing religious ceremonies, and attending local festivals are significant traditions.
How do cultural traditions influence daily life in your community?
They also influence our cuisine and daily meals, determine the festivals we celebrate, and shape the way we interact with each other.
What is a traditional festival or celebration in your country?
Another important celebration is Thanksgiving, where we gather for a feast, express gratitude, and enjoy time with family.
How do you celebrate major holidays with your family?
Additionally, we decorate our home, visit relatives, and engage in community events.
What are some unique customs or practices in your culture?
We also have unique New Year's Eve traditions, seasonal festivals, and customary greetings and gestures.
How do cultural differences impact interactions between people?
These differences may also lead to misunderstandings if not addressed, but they enrich interactions by bringing diverse viewpoints.
What role do cultural values play in shaping personal identity?
They also influence our priorities, shape our sense of ethics, and connect us to our heritage.
How can people learn about and respect other cultures?
Respect can be fostered by traveling to different countries, participating in cultural exchange programs, and studying languages.
What are some popular cultural events or activities in your area?
We also have community theater performances, food festivals, and cultural heritage parades.
How does understanding different cultures benefit society?
It also reduces prejudices, fosters mutual respect, and encourages a more inclusive community.